Prostate health concerns affect millions of men over 50, yet many everyday habits that worsen these problems fly completely under the radar. You might be doing things right now that could be silently undermining your prostate health. Today we're diving into part 2 of our prostate health series, 6 everyday habits that could be affecting your prostate without you realizing it. We'll break down why each habit matters, what the science tells us, and practical alternatives you can start implementing today. If you missed part 1, check the link in the description below, along with our detailed blog post and free PDF guide on prostate health. And join our senior health community for ongoing support with others taking their health seriously. Let's get into these 6 habits affecting your prostate right now. Habit number 1, eating too much spicy and processed foods. This combination creates a perfect storm for prostate irritation. Your prostate is incredibly sensitive to inflammatory compounds found in both food types. Capsaicin in spicy foods can irritate the bladder and prostate directly. When eaten regularly, you're creating ongoing irritation in your urinary tract system. This doesn't mean never enjoying spicy food again, but if you're dealing with frequent urination, burning, or discomfort, spicy foods could be making things significantly worse. The bigger concern is processed foods, frozen dinners, deli meats, packaged snacks, canned soups with high sodium, and fast food. These are loaded with preservatives, artificial additives, excessive sodium, and trans fats that promote systemic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the key drivers of prostate enlargement as men age. When you regularly consume these inflammatory foods, your immune system stays constantly alert, releasing inflammatory molecules called cytokines. This can cause tissues around your prostate to become swollen and irritated, worsening urinary symptoms. Processed meats are particularly problematic because they contain nitrates and nitrites linked to increased inflammation. The high sodium content also affects your prostate indirectly by increasing blood pressure and straining your cardiovascular system. The solution: reduce heavily processed foods while making smarter choices about spices. Cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients. Choose anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic rather than extremely hot peppers. Read labels carefully and choose options with shorter ingredient lists. Replace processed snacks with whole foods raw nuts instead of crackers, leftover chicken instead of deli meat. Even reducing these inflammatory foods by half can make a meaningful difference. Habit number 2, not managing chronic stress. This might be the most underestimated factor affecting prostate health. Chronic stress creates measurable physical changes that directly impact your prostate. Elevated cortisol and stress hormones suppress your immune system, increase inflammation throughout your body, and disrupt hormonal balance. Chronic stress also causes muscle tension, particularly in pelvic floor muscles that surround your prostate. When chronically tense, they put additional pressure on your prostate, worsening urinary symptoms. Stress affects sleep quality, preventing your body from properly repairing tissues, including prostate tissue. It also worsens other habits: poor eating, more alcohol and caffeine, skipping exercise. Develop consistent stress management practices. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily doing deep breathing exercises. Regular physical activity is one of the most effective stress reducers. Even a 20-minute daily walk helps. Consider activities combining movement with relaxation like gentle yoga or Tai Chi, which specifically help address pelvic floor tension. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep with a consistent bedtime routine. Don't underestimate social connection. Spending time with friends and family significantly reduces stress. Managing stress isn't a luxury, it's necessary for maintaining good prostate health. Habit number 3, holding in urine. This seemingly harmless habit causes significant problems. Many men develop this out of convenience or avoiding public restrooms, but regularly delaying urination strains your entire urinary system. When you hold urine for extended periods, your bladder becomes overstretched, potentially weakening the bladder muscle. The overfull bladder puts direct physical pressure on your prostate, which sits just below it. Regular pressure contributes to inflammation and irritation. Holding urine significantly increases urinary tract infection risk. When urine sits in your bladder, bacteria multiply. UTIs in men often involve the prostate, leading to bacterial prostatitis, causing severe pain, burning, difficulty urinating, and sometimes fever. This can last weeks or months. Additionally, when you finally urinate after holding it long, you may not empty completely. This residual urine creates an ideal environment for bacteria, increasing infection risk further. The solution: develop better bathroom habits. When you feel the initial urge, respond within a reasonable time frame. Plan ahead, use the bathroom before leaving home, before meetings, during natural breaks. If avoiding public restrooms due to cleanliness, carry hand sanitizer rather than holding urine for hours. Treat regular urination as a normal, healthy function rather than an inconvenience. Habit number 4, eating red meat excessively. Multiple studies have found connections between high red meat consumption and increased prostate problems, including higher rates of enlargement and prostate cancer. Red meat, especially processed varieties, contains compounds promoting inflammation. When cooked at high temperatures, it forms heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons linked to increased cancer risk. Red meat is typically high in saturated fat, contributing to inflammation and affecting hormone levels. Excess iron can promote oxidative stress and inflammation. The key is moderation and smarter choices. Limit red meat to 2 to 3 times weekly rather than daily. Choose leaner cuts and smaller portions. Use preparation methods that don't create harmful compounds, braising, slow cooking, or roasting at moderate temperatures instead of grilling at high heat. Replace some red meat meals with fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, with anti-inflammatory omega-3 seconds. Poultry, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds are excellent alternatives. When you do eat red meat, pair it with plenty of vegetables, especially cruciferous varieties like broccoli and cauliflower. Habit number 5, ignoring urinary symptoms. This might be the most dangerous habit because it allows serious problems to progress without treatment. Common symptoms men dismiss include difficulty starting urination, weak stream, frequent urination especially at night, feeling incomplete, bladder emptying, sudden urgent needs, or any pain during urination. These can indicate benign prostatic hyperplasia, prostatitis, urinary tract infections, bladder problems, or prostate cancer. The only way to know is proper evaluation. Conditions easily treatable early can become serious if ignored. An enlarged prostate can lead to complete inability to urinate, kidney damage, or bladder stones. Prostate cancer caught early has excellent outcomes. Don't wait for symptoms to become severe. Early evaluation and treatment lead to better outcomes with less invasive treatments. Keep track of when symptoms occur, how often, and what affects them. This information helps your healthcare provider make accurate diagnoses. Remember that urinary symptoms significantly impact quality of life. There's no reason to suffer when effective treatments are available. Habit number 6, drinking too much coffee. While coffee has health benefits, excessive consumption worsens prostate-related urinary symptoms. Coffee is a diuretic, increasing urine production and frequency. Caffeine acts as a bladder irritant, increasing urgency and frequency while making it harder to fully empty your bladder. Coffee's natural acidity can irritate the bladder and urinary tract. Excessive caffeine also increases stress hormones and interferes with sleep. Moderate consumption, 1 to 2 cups daily, may have health benefits. If experiencing prostate symptoms, reduce gradually to see if symptoms improve. Pay attention to timing. Have coffee earlier in the day, switching to herbal tea or water in the afternoon. Some men find green tea provides gentler caffeine with anti-inflammatory catechins beneficial for prostate health. These 6 habits all contribute to inflammation, poor circulation, hormonal imbalance, and direct irritation to your prostate. The encouraging news is that changing even a few habits can lead to noticeable improvements. Start by picking 1 or 2 habits most relevant to your situation. Focus on sustainable changes to those areas first. Remember that prostate health is part of overall health. Lifestyle factors supporting your cardiovascular system, immune system, and mental health also support your prostate. If you're experiencing prostate symptoms, don't wait to seek professional evaluation. These lifestyle changes complement medical treatment, but shouldn't replace proper care when needed. Download our free PDF guide linked in the description, along with our detailed blog post. Check out part 1 of this series if you haven't already, and join our senior health community for ongoing support. Your prostate health doesn't have to decline dramatically as you age. With the right knowledge and consistent healthy habits, you can maintain good prostate function and quality of life for years to come. Take care of yourself.